Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two shaving head replacements, Philips Norelco Shaving Heads and Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M. Get ready for some close shaves and even closer comparisons. Let's kick things off with the price. The Philips Norelco shaving heads come in at a wallet-friendly price of just $24. That's like trading in your old razor for a brand new pair of shoes. On the other hand, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M will set you back $59. That's like buying a ticket to an exclusive concert. So if you're looking to save some cash, the Philips Norelco is the way to go. Now let's talk about durability. The Philips Norelco shaving heads claim to cut a whopping 4.5 million hairs on your face within just 1 year. That's more hair than a Yeti's beard. These genuine comfort cut shaving heads from the Netherlands are built to last. On the other side, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M doesn't boast any specific haircutting stats. It's like going into battle without knowing what weapon you have. So in terms of durability, the Philips Norelco takes the crown. Now let's talk about ease of replacement. The Philips Norelco shaving heads are super easy to replace. Just pop off the old ones and snap on the new ones. It's like changing a light bulb, no hassle, no fuss. On the flip side, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M also claims to be easy to change, but hey, they don't provide any details. It's like a magician saying "ta-da" without revealing the trick. So when it comes to ease of replacement, Philips Norelco wins again. Lastly, let's talk about the package. The Philips Norelco shaving heads come in a neat package and include 3 shaving heads. It's like getting a trio of superheroes ready to save your shaving routine. On the other hand, the Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M has a bit of a mystery surrounding its package. It's like playing a game of what's in the box without any clues. So, in terms of packaging, Philips Norelco wins the prize. The Philips Norelco shaving heads take the crown in price, durability, ease of replacement, and packaging according to online reviews. And there you have it, folks. In the battle of Philips Norelco shaving heads versus Braun Shaver Head Replacement Part 94M, the Philips Norelco takes the crown in price, durability, ease of replacement, and packaging. But remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping, everyone!